Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change language on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. If you want to use a different language for the system, we need to open the settings, scroll all the way down, and then go to system. Over here we have languages, so select that option, and then over here we can choose system languages. Now we will have the only language that we have installed on our device. However, we can also choose add a language in order to add a new one. So let's say I'm gonna choose the Spanish language, and there we go. Now over here I can move the Spanish language up by dragging it towards the top like so, and then we have the offer to change the system language to the selected one. So I'm gonna change it to Spanish, and there we go. Now I have Spanish language on my Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. Of course, if you want to switch it up, you can move it back up the old language like so. And you can also tap on these three dots in order to select remove and remove unwanted languages that you don't want to have on your device. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.